Hello there, in this video I'm gonna show you MCM SCX Plus. This is how the cylinder looks like, anti-snap as you can see, anti-drill, whatever. 2 rows of pins, 1 active, 1 passive. And this will be our newest Topolino MCM. Each decoder comes with a serial number, unique serial number. Each one is filmed. This is the additional tension handle. This is the reset cap, reset tool. Don't forget that here on the back you will find the small bag with spare pins. In the last part of this video I'm gonna show you how you can change if a pin is loose or if it's simply lost. So in the next part of the video, how to open MCM. Okay, MCM is mounted. I'm gonna show you the key again. And now let me show you the Topolino. This is how the pins look like. Let's start. You slide, this is called a slider. Whenever I move it, you will see how metal thing goes through the pins. This one protects the pins from falling whenever you insert and whenever you extract the tool out of the lock. So slide it back towards the blade handle, arrow here, arrow here. In the bigger hole you insert the Topolino, you grab the reset tool. Again I repeat, button down, should be now fully reset. Let's check it. This is how the pins should look like when they're fully reset. You can see them nicely. Now I'll slide the button up towards the blade. It's time to insert the tension. You insert it on the right side because the pins are positioned on the left. This is, again I repeat, up towards the blade. You insert. The moment it's inserted, the slider must go back. And now we start the operation. Remember, this is where we apply tension, not here on the Topolino handle, only here. Tension is once up, this goes left, neutral, release. Now down, left, neutral, release. The faster you do it, the faster it will be opened. That's it. Now you can start turning it, left, right, it doesn't matter, as long as you want to. Now, to extract it, this is the position where you can safely extract. Don't forget here, crucial part, to slide up the button, and then you can extract it. Now if I slide it back, we can see how the pins have taken their position, their code, the code which corresponds to the code of this key. Now if I haven't moved them too much, it should keep the code. Let's try it. Yep. So this is the difference. This is not a foil where you can open it or you might not open it, you never know. With this decoder you will always open it. You simply have to follow the procedure. Then the code is there. You can reuse it on the same lock. Of course, on your new lock you reset and you start all over again. Of course, let's test again the key. I'm gonna show you again the key, the structure of it. SCX Plus. So, in the next part I'm gonna show you how you can change the pins on the MCM. Okay, change of pins. This is down. Let's remove one. It's gone. Now, again, from the back, you open it. You need some tweezers. Just look at them, they're very sharp. This is how it must be oriented. The slider is down. You reverse it like this. You should be able to see that there is a canal there. You can always compare with the other pins unless they're all out, which will be a very bad luck for you. Something like this. Now with the hex key, you simply push it. Or not. Now you push it a few times just to make sure it goes smoothly from all sides. And the pin is replaced. So, in this video, MCM